Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's video, we are going to see the example number 5 of simple interest. In my last 3 videos, I have explained you what is simple interest, how to solve the simple interest, the formula of simple interest, and we have seen few examples of simple interest. So in this video, we are going to see example number 5 of simple interest. Let us see the example number 5. The example number 5 is what sum of money will amount to rupees 43,200 at 5% per annum simple interest for 4 years. So in this example, they have said that what sum of money will amount to rupees 43,200 at 5% simple interest for 4 years. So basically in this example they have said to find sum. So in my first lecture I have said that sum means principal. Okay, so what sum means you have to find principal in this example. So what sum of money will amount to rupees 43,200 at 5% per annum for 4 years. So the solution for this example is solution. First note down whatever is given in the question, and next you have to note down what you have to find. So given in this example means in this example they have given amount, means what sum of money will amount. Okay, amount means A. Amount they have given A is equals to, okay, how much is the amount? 43,200. 43,200. Okay, next they have given 5% per annum. 5% per annum means they have given rate of interest. So R is equals to 5%. Next they have given N. For how many years? Means 5% rate of interest they have given for simple interest for 4 years. Means how many years? That means N they have given 4 years. So N is equals to 4 years. So now what is to be find? To find is what? The sum. To find is what? Sum means P you have to find. P means principal. Okay, so you have to find principal. So now to find simple, we are going to use the formula, the second formula of amount. So the formula is formula A is equals to P bracket 1 plus R into N divided by 100 bracket close. So this is the formula to find principal. Okay, so we are going to use this formula. By this formula we are going to find the principal value. Okay, so now I have written the formula on the board. Now next step I will put the values as per the formula. So A is how much? 43,200. So A, what is the value of A? 43. Therefore 43,200 is equals to P. I am going to write as it is because we have to find P. Bracket 1 as it is plus sign will be same. R is how much? R is 5%. Okay, 5% into N is how much? 4 divided by 100 bracket close. Now next, therefore write 43,200 as it is equals to P as it is 1 plus 5 into 4 20 divided by 100. Okay, 5 into 4 20 divided by 100. Now next what I will do, many a times what students will do, students will add. Okay, first you have to solve the bracket, then outside the bracket, we'll solve it later on. So what students will do, they will do 1 plus 20, that means 21 divided by 100. You don't have to do 1 plus 20 because 1 is alone, okay, 1 is single over here. So in the rough work I will show you what you have to do. You have to consider over here 1 because this is what 20 upon 100. It is in the this thing, division, this thing. So over here what you have to consider 1 over here. So see, 1 plus 20 divided by 100. So assume that over here there is 1, okay, assume that, consider that over here we are assuming that over here is 1, okay. Now see both the denominators, now this is what 1 upon 1, 20 upon 100. So both the denominators are different, so we'll make the denominator same. So now how to make the denominator same? You have to multiply by one number which you will get the answer, means the denominator you will get same. So see 100, if I will multiply one number, okay, I will multiply by one number which will give me answer 100 here also and this side also. So suppose if I take 100 into 1, okay, 100 into 1, and whichever number I am taking in the denominator, same number I am going to take in the numerator, means I will multiply the numerator by the same number. So 100 into 1, the same number I am going to take 20 into 1, okay. Now next over here, see 100 into 1, what answer I am going to get? 100. So now to make the denominator same of this 1, so I have to multiply by one number which will give me 100. So 100 into, sorry, 1 into 100, okay. So see 100 into 1, 100, 1 into 100, 100. So you can see that the denominator I am getting same. So same means I am getting denominator as 100. So same way as I multiplied 100 for the denominator, same thing I am going to, same number means 100 I am going to multiply with numerator also. So 1 into 100. Now 1 into 100, 100 divided by 1 into 100, 100, okay, plus 20 into 1, 20, 100 into 1, 100. Now you can see here both the denominators are same, means I have got, you can, this method you can say it as you are finding LCM also, okay, you are finding LCM. So you have to make the denominator same. You can do by this method and you can do by LCM method also. So both the denominators are same, so I am going to take 100 as common because both the denominators are same. Then 100 as it is plus 20, okay. I have got 100 plus 20 divided by 100. So next, after this you have to do this, okay. 43 200 is equals to P bracket, okay. Now I will write as it is, okay, this I am going to write over here as it is, 100 plus 20 divided by 100, okay, bracket close. Therefore 43 200 is equals to P bracket 100 plus 20, 120 divided by 100 bracket close, okay. Now this 100 is in the division form. I am going to bring this 100 outside the bracket, so the sign will change. So what will be the sign? Sign will be multiplication. 43 200 into 100 is equals to P 120, okay. Understood this one? This 100 I am bringing outside the bracket, that's why the sign will change. So 43,200 into 100, you will get the answer 432, 4 times 0, is equals to P 120. Okay, so P is equals to 432 4 times 0 divided by 120. So if you divide 432 4 times 0 divided by 120, you will get the answer 36,000. Okay, so P is equals to 36,000. Okay, so I hope you have understood how I have got 36,000 as P. So therefore P means the sum means 36,000 rupees of money will amount to rupees 43,200 at 5% per annum simple interest 4 years. Did you understood how I got 36,000? I will repeat again. See, given in the question as it is, whatever is given in the question I have note down. To find is P, I am going to use the formula. This formula, A is equals to P bracket 1 plus R into N divided by 100. Okay, so by this formula I am going to find the value, means I am going to find principal. So put the values as per the formula. Then after that, inside the bracket, that is what, 5 into 4, I have got 20 divided by 100. Now this one is alone. Assume that you are going to consider that 1 upon 1. Okay, so take one value 1. So then make the denominator same by using one number, which you will get the denominator same. So 100 plus 20 divided by 100. So same thing I am writing as it is. This is the rough work to make you understand that how I have made denominator same. So next is what, 43,200 is equals to P, 100 plus 20, 120 divided by 100. Then I am bringing this 100 outside the bracket. This over here, this is in the division form. I am bringing this outside the bracket. So sign change, that becomes multiplication. Then I have multiplied 43,200 into 100. I have got 20 means 432 4 times 0 is equals to P 120, and then 120 divided by 432 4 times 0 is equals to 36,000. So P is 36,000. So I hope you have understood this example. Please like my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.